brand new apartment, we sat on the floor. A blow-up mattress and some plastic forks, clothes on the counter, keys in the door. You're all that I wanted, never been so sure. And chances are the future will take us places that we can't imagine yet. Chances are yours is the face I could never forget. But suddenly nothing is the way that it was. Is this what it